Sanitech Systems is the original auger compactor manufacturer. Sanitech Systems offers numerous models, ranging from 5 horsepower apartment-style augers to industrial 40 horsepower auger models. This covers all of your waste and recycling needs. Sanitech Systems is a family-owned company that strives for producing the most efficient and safest auger compactor on the market. This video, along with the owner's manual, will provide instructions for safe and proper operation of a Sanitech Systems auger compactor system. This video also includes proper loading practices, maintenance, and service lights. After the factory installation is completed by an authorized Sanitech Systems representative, the auger compactor system is ready to use. Sanitech encourages the proper use of personal protective equipment. A good example of this is to always use safety glasses and gloves when operating any Sanitech Systems machine. To operate the auger compactor, the user of the machine must be 18 years or older. The safety features include an integrated safety gate, a bin removal indicator for when the container is not in place, and an emergency stop button. Operating instructions include loading the hopper with waste and recycling and proceeding to close the safety gate. The auger compactor will only operate when the safety gate is closed and secure, and the key or control knob is turned to the forward position and released. The auger compactor will run the duration of the designated cycle time. Cycle times can be set by an authorized Sanitech Systems installation representative. If at any time during the cycle the compactor needs to be stopped, the emergency stop button can easily be pressed. You can also open the safety gate and the auger compactor will stop immediately. The near full indicator is illuminated with a yellow light on the control panel. Once this indicator is illuminated, this means the auger compactor is 80% full and a pickup should be scheduled from your refuge hauler. The full indicator is illuminated with a red light on the control panel. Once this indicator is illuminated, the auger compactor is 100% full and operation should be stopped until the compaction container is emptied. If a jam occurs, the key switch or control knob can be turned and held to the reverse position for 5 seconds until the jam is cleared. Once the jam is cleared, turn the key or control knob to the forward position for the auger compactor to process the waste or recycling. Routine maintenance on the Sanitech Systems auger compactor includes filling the grease reservoir on the automatic greaser. This may be a part of a monthly maintenance program by the maintenance staff or a Sanitech Systems representative. If the red light on the low lubricant indicator is illuminated, the greaser needs to be filled before operation of the Sanitech Systems auger compactor continues running. Once the greaser is filled, press and hold the greaser primer button for 30 seconds. This is the only time the greaser primer button is needed. Waste and recycling may now continue to be processed. Safety is a top priority to Sanitech Systems. Prior to operation, every operator must review the owner's manual and instructional video. Never under any circumstance should a compactor hopper be entered. Do not add any hazardous materials to the Sanitech Systems auger compactor. This includes batteries, cement, steel, and other items that may cause wear or potential damage to the auger compactor. Service to the Sanitech Systems auger compactor is to be provided by an authorized Sanitech Systems technician. If at any time maintenance is required, make sure to follow all lockout and tag procedures. Sanitech Systems recommends that an authorized Sanitech Systems technician perform preventative maintenance once a year to ensure years of safe usage. We want to thank you for choosing Sanitech Systems for your new auger compactor system.